Sexual power wrapped around your little finger? That's the beauty behind Mini Marvels Marvelous Arouser by Cal Exotics. I'm sexologist Dr. Jill. As a longtime fan of the Mini Marvels line in all its colorful, palm-sized vibrator glory and cute retro packaging, I'm excited about the introduction of Marvelous Arouser, a finger vibe, into the collection. Made of sturdy but soft silicone, this vibe is totally self-contained and easily slips right over your finger for additional sensation to fingering play. Whether you're using your finger to stroke a clitoris, rub a penis, or stimulate a nipple, solo or with a partner, Marvelous Arouser ups the power. Perfect for lovers with larger hands, the 10 functions of vibration and stimulating pleasure nubs on the fingertip are a lot of fun. It's easy to use and features push-button controls and a rechargeable and waterproof design for effortless fingering in the shower or anywhere else.